Hello students, now we are going to discuss about periodic table of the elements. Periodic table of the elements or present form of the periodic table. Here numerous forms of periodic table was devised from time to time. In some of them are stress the electronic configuration and some other stress the valency and chemical reactivity of the elements. In that, see, first, elements are arranged in the horizontal rows and vertical columns. In the periodic table, elements are arranged in the horizontal rows and vertical columns based on their increasing order of their atomic numbers. According to modern periodic law, the elements are arranged in the periodic table in increasing order of their atomic numbers. Here, the elements are arranged in horizontal rows and vertical columns. Here, according to IUPAC means International Union Pure Applied Chemistry. Once again, IUPAC means International Union Pure Applied Chemistry. According to IUPAC, the groups are numbered from 1 to 18. 1 to 18, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Here, according to IUPAC, the groups are numbered from 1 to 18. In older notation, we indicated with Roman numbers 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A or 8A group elements or last group 0 group elements or inert gases. Here in this horizontal rows, these are the horizontal rows are indicated with Arabic numbers that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These horizontal rows are called periods. These horizontal rows are called periods and vertical columns are called groups. Here in periodic table 7 periods are there. Horizontal rows are called periods. In this periodic table 7 periods are there. Here 18 groups are there. See how these elements are arranged in the periodic table and how these elements are remembered in our mind. In point of examination view, how these elements will be remembered. Directly in the examination ask give a few elements like sodium and potassium, and they asked that these two elements belongs to dash. So like this questions will be asked in the examination. So that's why how we will remember this type of answers to attempt the exams in the how this type of answers will remember in attempt the examination. Okay, so that's why I would like to say a simple tricks to remember the elements. What are they? Remember it easily. Here first group elements, we will discuss about the first group elements. These are the first year group elements. Here H means all the students 10th class and intermediate students must noted or remember up to 30 elements. And individually each group of elements must be in that time only you are able to attempt the examination. Okay, so here how you can remember, listen here carefully. Here first A group elements. What are the first A group elements? This vertical column from here to here is said to be first A group elements. In that first A group elements, H means hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These are the first A group elements. How these all groups are remembered means by remembering a simple code, these all elements will be covered. That is halina K, Rubina close friend. Here, by remembering the simple this code, we can easily remember this all 7 elements. What is that? Halina K, Rubina close friend. Halina K, Rubina close friend. By using this simple code, by remembering this simple code, you are able to remember this all 7 elements, that are hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These are the 7 elements to remember easily by using this simple code. And next, second A group elements. How second A group elements will be remembered? Means बीना, मैंगो का स्ट्रॉबेरी बना रहे. बीना मैंगो का स्ट्रॉबेरी बना रही. Here B means beryllium. Here forget this. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. These are the elements of second A group elements. By using this simple code, you are able to remember this all elements, that is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. These are the second A group elements. And next, third A group elements. What are the third A group elements? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Okay, these are the third A group elements. By using a simple code, it is Baggett. By using a simple code, we are able to remember all third A group elements, that are Baggett. B means boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Once again, B means boron, A means aluminium, B means aluminium, G means gallium and I means indium, T means thallium is said to be. These are the all third A group elements. And next, fourth A group elements. What are the fourth A group elements? Fourth A or 14th group elements. It is said to be two types, third A or 13th group elements and fourth A or 14th group elements. What are the 14th group elements? See here, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. These are the 14th group or 4th A group elements. Here, C means college, SI means, remember that students get some problems. By using this code, we are able to remember easily these all elements. That is, college students get some problem. Actually, college students don't get any problems, but by using this code, you can able to remember the all elements. That is, college, C means college, SI means silicon here. College students get some problems. Here, by using this code, you are able to remember the all these elements, 14th A or 4th A group elements, that are C means carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead are the 14th A group elements. And 15th A group elements. Next, 15th A group elements. What are the 15th A group elements? See, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, S means arsenic, antimony and bismuth. These are the 15th A group elements. These are the first A group elements. These are the second A group elements. These are the third A group elements. These are the fourth A group elements. These are the fifth A group elements. What are the fifth A group elements? Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Here by using you can observe the NP. In the NP is in backside of the lorries, that means their national permit. But here according to fifth A group elements or 15th A group elements, it means nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. NP means here nitrogen, phosphorus and arsenic. This is also you are able to easily remember that arsenic. This is the second letter. It will be coming to the next element first letter. And here antimony, SB means antimony. Here B is the second letter. It will be next first element to the next element symbol. So by using this code, you are able to remember the 5th A group elements or 15th group elements, that are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth are said to be 5th A or 15th A group elements. Next, 16th group elements or 6th A group elements. What are they? See, 6th A group elements. What are they? Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. These are very easy to remember the elements. O means already you know. O means oxygen. S means sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. 6th A or 16th group elements are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium are said to be 6th A group elements or 16th group elements. Here, dear students, they have a great chance to prepare a simple code for this 6th A group elements. You must try to prepare yourself a code for this 6th A group elements. Okay. Here, next 7th A group elements. What are the 7th A group elements? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. These are said to be halogens. These are said to be halogens. 7th A group elements. 7th A group elements or 70th A group elements are called halogens, that are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. It is also very easy to remember. These elements are called halogens. Or halogens means, halo means sea salt, gens means extracted from it. So that's why these all elements are extracted from sea salt. So that's why 7th A group elements are called halogens. And 6th A group elements are called chalcogens. And 5th A group elements are called nicogens. Remember this also. 5th A group elements also called nicogens. 6th A group elements are also called chalcogens. And 7th A group elements are also called halogens. And next 8th group elements. What are the 8th group elements? It is called, this group of elements are called 18th group elements or 8th A group elements or 0 group elements or inert gases. Okay, remember these all names. Here this 8th group, 7th A, after that 8th A groups or 18th groups or 0 group or inert gases or noble gases. Why? Because it has stable electronic configuration in their valency shell. So that's why it is said to be noble gases. It does not easily lose the electron and gain the electron. So that's why it is said to be noble gases, that are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are the noble gases. Once again, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon are said to be noble gases. These are the tricks to remember the periodic table of the elements.